Hi, Mark Winter here once again with our Persona C C-arm. This brief video will instruct you on how to set up and turn on the Persona C. As I mentioned earlier, we consist of two parts, monitor cart and the C-arm itself. The monitor cart holds the cables that number 1 plug into the wall outlet and number 2 plug into the C-arm. This multi-connector plugs right in the side of the C-arm itself, locks in place. Once those two pieces are together, from the monitor cart, we power up the cart with the key, and from the C-arm itself, there is an on button right back here. Turning that on will allow both of the systems to start talking to one another. This process takes about 30 to 40 seconds. And once everything is turned on and ready to go, you're ready to image. Our next few videos will go over registering patient information and selecting anatomical regions for imaging. Thank you.